Hello students, today we are going to discuss an important topic from genetics, that is sex determination. Sex means gender. In Latin language, sexes means gender, determining the gender of an individual. So how can the gender be determined? So it can be determined even before the birth of an individual itself. So humans are the classical example for that. So let us see the types of sex determination. The sex determination can be of three types. So if you take the first type, environmental sex determination. Second type is non-allosomic sex determination or non-chromosomal. Third one is allosomic or chromosomal sex determination. So environmental sex determination, where environment is going to decide the gender of a individual. So non-allosomic or non-chromosomal in the sense certain other factors will be there, genetic factors or non-genetic factors, whatever they may be. So they are going to decide the gender of an individual. And allosomic or chromosomes, particularly sex chromosomes are there, they are going to decide the gender of an individual. These are the three methods of the gender determination in detail if we want to discuss. So let us see the first type in detail. So the first type, let us see, environmental sex determination. So you may just get surprised how the environment is going to decide the gender of an individual. It's true, the environment in certain organisms, in certain animals, it is going to decide the gender of an individual. The first one, if you take, so the larva present near female turns into male. So in certain marine species of organisms like Bonilia named Annelid is there. So I wrote the larva present near the female turns into male. Let me explain it in detail. Here Bonilia named Annelid is there. It is a marine annelid actually, where it lives inside the marine waters. It lays eggs actually. When it is laying eggs up, the eggs turn into larva. So the larva which are near to the female, they will be taken by the female. Any female, it may be mother or any other female, it is going to take some larva. So the larva which grows inside the female body, which is taken up by the female, will turn into male. And the larva which is free living, which is not taken up by the female, that is going to turn into female. Let me explain once again, maybe little confusing it is. Bonilia named annelid is there, marine annelid. It lays eggs. From these eggs, larva will come out. The sex of this larva is unspecified. So those larvae which are taken up by the female, they will turn into male. In fact, these larvae will get inside the female and they grow inside the uterus of the female. So they are taken up actually, they are taken up and they are any female, it may be mother or nearby any other female, if they are taken up, that turns into male. And the larvae which are freely present inside the waters, that will turn into a female, this turns into a male and this turns into a female. So the larvae which are present near the female, the vicinity of the female, they are being absorbed by the female, they are taken up by the female and they will turn into male. The others which are freely living, they will turn into female. So the larvae which are taken up by the female, they will turn into male, and the larvae which are freely present, they will turn into female, male and a female actually. And one more larva is there, one more annelid is there, Dinophilus named annelid is there, it is also marine only. So usually this is a Dinophilus, in case of this Dinophilus